There are some dietary supplements that are absolutely valuable. Meet Dr. William Li, a Harvard-trained medical doctor and researcher, emphasizes the importance of whole foods for nutrition but also acknowledges the value of certain dietary supplements. He is a renowned medical doctor and the founder and president of the Angiogenesis Foundation, with contributions leading to over 40 FDA-approved therapies and devices. Dr. Li has authored bestsellers such as Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Diet, advocating for whole foods as the primary source of nutrition. Despite focusing on whole foods, Dr. Li includes 3 key supplements in his regimen, recognizing their value for people who may struggle to get certain nutrients solely from food. He also highlights the natural food sources that offer similar nutritional benefits to the supplements he takes, reinforcing the idea that supplements are important but not a complete replacement for a nutrient-rich diet. The video explores these supplements and their significance in supporting overall health. Dr. William Li shares his insights on the first supplement he takes daily, which is vitamin D3. Here's an overview of his explanation. Importance of vitamin D. Dr. Li highlights the importance of vitamin D for overall health, particularly for boosting the immune system and helping the body fight cancer. He points out that many people, especially those in the northern hemisphere or colder climates, often don't get enough sunlight, leading to vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D2 versus D3. Vitamin D2, ergocalciferol, is found in fungi, mushrooms, and yeast. It's often added to fortified foods like plant-based milk, cereals, and orange juice. Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, is naturally produced by the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. It is also present in animal-based foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and beef liver. Benefits for bone health. Vitamin D helps with the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Mushrooms and vitamin D. Dr. Li provides a fascinating tip. If you slice mushrooms and expose them to sunlight, even on a windowsill, they can produce more vitamin D. He suggests doing this before cooking them to increase their nutritional value. Daily vitamin D. While some food sources provide vitamin D, it's often easier to ensure adequate intake through vitamin D3 supplements, especially for those living in areas with less sun exposure. Dr. Li encourages incorporating vitamin D3 supplements for optimal health, especially in regions with limited sunlight. The second supplement that Dr. William Li takes daily is omega-3. Here's a breakdown of his explanation. Importance of omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for overall health and have been shown to provide a variety of benefits, such as improving cardiovascular health and supporting the brain and immune system. Sources of omega-3. While Dr. Li enjoys seafood, he prefers omega-3 supplements to avoid potential contamination from mercury and heavy metals commonly found in seafood. He emphasizes that not everyone eats oily fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines regularly 2 to 3 times a week, which makes supplementation a more convenient option. Plant-based origins. Omega-3 fatty acids originally come from plankton that fish eat, and these fatty acids accumulate up the food chain. By taking fish oil supplements, people can get the concentrated benefits without needing to eat large amounts of fish. Longevity benefits. Dr. Li cites a study that found people with higher blood levels of omega-3 lived, on average, 5 years longer than those with lower levels. This longevity boost was compared to the benefit of quitting smoking, showcasing the profound impact omega-3s can have on lifespan. Affordable omega-3 source. Dr. Li suggests a convenient and tasty source of omega-3s, tinned fish. Specifically, he recommends European-style tins that come packed with flavorful ingredients like olive oil, peppers, garlic, and herbs. These provide not only omega-3s, but also the added benefits of olive oil, which contains bioactive compounds like hydroxytyrosol that are anti-inflammatory and beneficial for the gut microbiome. By taking omega-3 supplements or incorporating sources like tinned fish into your diet, you can boost your intake of these essential fatty acids and enjoy their health benefits. The third supplement that Dr. William Li takes daily is probiotics. Here's a summary of his insights. Probiotic benefits. Dr. Li emphasizes the importance of probiotics, not just for gut health, but also for the oral microbiome. He mentions a specific probiotic strain called Lactobacillus reuteri, which is commonly found in sourdough bread and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Oral health. This probiotic strain, when taken as a chewable supplement, has been shown to improve oral health by killing bacteria that cause cavities. Clinical trials have demonstrated that Lactobacillus reuteri can help reduce the rate of cavities and improve gum health. General thoughts on supplements. While Dr. Lee acknowledges the value of certain dietary supplements, he encourages people to get nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. Whole foods often provide a broader spectrum of beneficial compounds, such as fiber, polyphenol, and natural peptides, which you wouldn't get from isolated supplements. For Dr. Lee, supplements like vitamin D, omega-3s, and probiotics are part of his routine, but he emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet that includes whole, plant-based foods for optimal health.